Hey, Dr. Thomas. My name is Jessica from Complete Chiropractic Marketing. Thank you for accepting this video. We actually found your site when researching chiropractors in your area and decided to reach out. Um, what I'm going to talk to you about today is some tips that you can apply right away that's going to help with your online presence and getting more organic leads. It's important to note that nearly 70% of your organic leads for new patients are going to come from your website here. So it's going to be important that your website be properly optimized so you can capture those new patients. Um, So as you can see, we are on your website, and the first thing I noticed is that your website is not secured. This is a huge problem. You do need to go get your SSL certificate and secure your website, because your website can be hacked. It can contain viruses. You could have your brand identity and theft stolen. Especially being a medical practice, it's even more important to keep your information secured. Otherwise, it can cost thousands of dollars just to fix later on down the road. So definitely get that taken care of. All right. So we are on your website. Your website looks like it's from 2008, so it is quite dated. What used to work 14 years ago no longer works when it comes to Google algorithms. So you're definitely going to need to do some updating. Google does not rank your website based on appearance, however, it is based on content. So this content here is going to be key. You're going to need a lot of content, and your content needs to be focused around your local buyer intent keywords. They're going to be keywords like Louisville chiropractor, and other terms that your patients are going to be looking for. There are patients there looking for their new chiropractor. They just need help finding you. So you definitely need to work on your content. Google wants you to have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage based around those local keywords, and you're going to need more content than your competitors. So if your competitors have more content, you should have more content. Your homepage should now be designed to be kind of a summary of all the different types of treatments that you offer. And then you should have a separate page for each service or treatment that you do have. And I'm not sure if you have service pages or not. I can't tell quickly looking at it. So if you do have various treatments that you offer, you should have separate pages so that you can capture the keywords that are unique to those treatments in your area. Google actually indexes all of these pages looking for original content and keywords so they can help you find your new patients, or the other way around, so the new patients can find you. Let's take a look at your top competitor in Louisville, and that's going to be Louisville Spine and Wellness. They have a nice website. They have separate pages for their various therapies. They have a lot more content focused on local keywords. They have a lot of interlinking pages, which is really important to your search engine optimization. They have more content, but they don't have a ton of content. You definitely should have more content than these guys do. And in order to beat them, you will definitely have to have more content, not just on your homepage, but throughout your website. And you're going to have to focus on those keywords that your patients are actually searching for. And then your website does have to be supported by SEO to make sure that you can be found. If we look here, you have a rating of a 4.5 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google does not trust your website as 100% because you're referring domains and backlinks. Google is only going to give you credit for one backlink per referring domain, and not all of these are created equal. So you do need to make sure you're focusing on links that are directly related to the services you're providing, and that they're also do follow links so that they share the power of those higher ranking sites and help you to rank higher. If we look here, only 18 of yours are do follows, which means only 18 backlinks are providing any help to your website. You have actually been indexed for 31 keywords, and you're getting about 100 people on average to your website. So you're missing out on a ton of potential traffic. If we look quick at your keywords, you do have a number of them on the first page. Looks like four of your keywords are local buyer intent, so that is good. So you just need to focus on the content and keywords, and then support these keywords with your backlinks to help them rank higher, so they get higher on the first, so that they all get to the first page and get higher on the first page, so you're the first people that they see. Looking at your competitor, they also have a low score here with only 100 backlinks and 41 referring domains. Only 13 of those are do follows. So you need to beat their 13 referring domains, both in quantity and quality. But they have been indexed for over 300 keywords, and they're getting, on average, almost 800 people to their website a month. So they're seeing a lot more potential for new patients. So that just goes to show how important optimizing your website is going to be to drive those new patients and not have to rely on referrals. And the last section is this Google Maps section, and it looks like you're doing a really good job here. If you do slip in the ranks here, it is highly competitive. The most important thing is going to be your citations. There are other factors, including making sure you're doing regular updates, adding new pictures, making sure it's optimized for your keywords. But citations are the most important, and that's the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories. So just making sure you stay on top there, just keep adding to those directories. And now if you follow all the tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google in Louisville for all of your services using those keywords supported by SEO. Dr. Thomas, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it to be helpful. I would love to get your feedback on what you thought of the video. And if you have any questions at all, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.